Now we're staying at Yacht Club. We have a garden view. Not bad. It's quiet out here. We got here yesterday and we'll leave tomorrow. So this is the back patio, the balcony. And this is the inside. 2 queen beds, 2 nice big queen beds. Overhead lamps. The wallpaper gives the appearance of maybe old luggage, that you might take on a cruise. There's a desk and chair, with a mirror overhead. Nice big TV, dresser that looks like luggage. They put an extra blanket and pillows in there. And this is a cute nightstand. It also looks like luggage. Has some drawers in there. And it has these little lights here. Night lights. On each side of the bed. I like this picture here. It's at the bow. See the Mickey and the 71 there. The closet's really cool. This is my favorite right here. You pull it out like this, and the ironing board just folds out like that. Safe. And then when you open the closet, lights turn on. Plenty of space there. A couple of shelves, hangers, and then the top up here for any extras that you have, carry-ons, purses, etc. This is over here that looks like luggage, is the refrigerator. Ice bucket, cups, a Keurig coffee maker. Then we have a barn door here. For privacy, if somebody wants to use this space out here while another person is taking a shower or using a restroom. And this is the shower. Commode. And then of course you have your thing out here that you can use to put your swimsuit on to dry. And we have 2 sinks here. Good lighting, 2 lights here. Makeup mirror. Yeah. And that's a tour of our Yacht Club room.